local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Our ring-tailed lemurs are out, our gibbons are singing, and our zoo campers are here. We're ready for summer fun at the Roosevelt Park Zoo. Hey,
Doesn't look like they were having fun. That's Jennifer Clean and all her friends at the Roosevelt Park Zoo, and it's always a great day to go to the zoo, right? You know what? There's some storms up north right now. These are not big storms. We're not expecting severe weather, but there is a little bit of lightning from place to place, and lightning can strike 10 to 12 miles away from a cloud. So if you're around Lake Metagoshi, you might want to wait a little while longer before you head back out to the water because there is some lightning at least close by. Right now, the closest lightning would be at the Peace Garden, and you can see between Bottom and Willow City some lightning. There could be some pea-sized hail. The southwestern part of the state could still have some storms. In fact, there's going to be more storms tonight in all likelihood. Maybe not a lot of them, but some more storms developing. But any storm that does develop tonight is going to end tonight, and we're going to have a pretty nice night. It's going to be hot and a little more humid tomorrow. Another day much like today, but tomorrow's not going to be windy, though, so that'll be nice. And we're going to have a pattern change, and I think we're going to have some severe weather. I wouldn't call it an outbreak, but I think we've got a decent chance of severe weather on Friday, unfortunately. And here's a look from the Storm Prediction Center, and being a couple of days out, chances are really good. This is going to shift a little bit between now and Friday, but this gives us a pretty good idea that widespread western North Dakota has a pretty decent chance, that's 2 on a scale of 5, of some severe weather on Friday, and that would last into Friday night. And if we have any storms over the weekend, those probably will not be severe. Temperatures right now, they're hot in most locations. It's a little cooler up in Botno where it's been raining, but 80s most places, 85 in Bismarck, Dickinson, low 80s at 81. It's in the 80s across the Bakken right now, minus at 87 degrees. So it's been hot. It's also been a little bit windy. We've had winds 15, 20 mile an hour most of the afternoon and some stronger wind gusts. The wind will taper off tonight, and tomorrow, like I said, is not going to be very windy. So let's go ahead and check out the dew points. 30s and 40s in the far northwest, so very dry atmosphere. Doesn't feel humid at all, but a little higher dew points. Not real high, but I think by Friday we could be seeing some dew points in the 60s, which means when you go outside Friday, you're going to notice the humidity. So here's what to look like for the next couple of days. For tonight, again, we have that chance of showers and thunderstorms. Not expecting severe weather. By tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, we should have a clear sky. The storm that's going to be triggering everything is still off to the west. So here we are early tomorrow morning, pretty clear sky. As we get a little bit closer on Friday morning, you can see this cold front, and the timing of that cold front is going to be very important because if it comes through during the heating of the day, which it looks like it could, then we could be having some of those big storms. Right now, this is just one look at it here. Thunderstorms are likely going to fire along this, and certainly severe weather possible. We could have some rain behind it. It's going to be windy on Friday. Some of the wind gusts on Friday, probably 40 miles an hour. And then on Saturday night, it looks like eastern North Dakota has the best chance of rain. High pressure is going to try to move in. And then maybe on Sunday evening, there might be a few sprinkles, but I wouldn't bank on that. Now, for the next 72 hours for Dickinson, we have that chance of showers and storms, especially on Saturday for Dickinson. For Williston, could be Friday and Saturday. And then as we check out the forecast lows tonight, most everybody will be in the 50s, so it's going to be a pleasant night once any storms go away. And then tomorrow, it's going to be another hot day. Won't be windy, a little more humid. And as we check out the next 7 days, boy, we've got a cool down coming next week. So if you're tired of the heat, you're going to like the temperatures next week. But Lauren and Chad, Friday afternoon, Friday night, unfortunately, we might be set up for some severe weather.
Doesn't sound great.
Not at all. Thanks, Tom. Still to come in our 5 at 5.